Indonesia is facing serious problem in trust management. Trustify is a transformative project aimed to addressing solving this problem. The issue is of improved waste disposal, which often result in devastating natural disaster such as flood. Our mission is empower community to take control of this problem by turning trash into valuable resource.
By using the login, register, and sign up APIs, the application will run with an authentication feature, where this feature is important for the security of user data in the application. This API uses Node.js as the runtime base and JavaScript as the programming language. In addition, this API also uses App Engine as the server installation medium.
By using this API, the data model will be downloaded into the application and will then be processed through the API to perform a correct machine. This process will produce informative and relevant tutorial based on the compatibility of the model data with the API, with a unified integration between data model and API. Application will be able to provide precise and useful guidance to user, providing a better and deeper user experience.
Our dataset includes labeled trash items across 6 classes, representing distinct material types. This enables our model to recognize and categorize various materials commonly found in collected waste.
In pre-processing, we scale pixel value to 0 until 1 for model compatibility. Applying augmentation techniques like rotation and flipping diversify the training dataset, reducing overfitting, and enhancing adaptability to real-world variation.
By using TensorFlow Hub's mobile and V3, we achieve high accuracy. Further, we fine-tune the model by add more dense layers and dropout layers for improved adaptability. The final softmax layer ensuring accuracy for the 6-class classification.
I will explain the flow of the Trashify application. Firstly, when the application is open, a splash screen consisting of 3 screens will appear. After clicking Next, the user will be directed to the login page. If the user doesn't have an account, they need to register by clicking Register and filling out the registration form. Afterward, they will return to the login page. After successfully logging in, the user will enter the home page. On the home page, there are 2 features, scan and pause. When the user wants to classify waste, they click on scan. They can either capture a photo directly or choose one from the gallery. After taking the photo, the app will display the classification of the waste in the image. Next, the user can click the Get Tutorial button to view tutorials on recycling the waste into more useful items.
Post filter. When entering the application, the user will be given several posts from the other user on the home page. Then if the user wants to see more posts, user can click on the more and then user will be direct to the post page. On this page, user will be given all the posts from all user of this application. User can also add posts by clicking the post button at the bottom right. They will be direct to upload post pic. User can upload their post by adding image directly from the camera or selecting to in the gallery. Then adding a post description, after that submitting the post. After submit, the user post will be added to post page along with other posts. The second is leaderboard feature. This feature is used to rank how many user like posts that user posts. Users who are in the top 5 this leaderboard later will be get bets or point that can be exchanged for prize. The purpose of this feature is to provide encourage with reward to user to produce a work or creativity from waste so as to minimize the current waste. Third is community feature. This feature is used to provide information to users when they are volunteer community event that focus in environment initiative, such as join effort to clean the ocean or plant tree. And the last is profile filter. This filter is profit to view user profile, and there are several menu profit to help user use this application. Okay, this is all.
For our target market, we are planning to spread this application and project to every person that care about Earth and environment. The Earth is a bit crazy like now for our consumerism, and we expect to people using our application to try make better work and make help for cost management. Also, we are trying to collaboration with organization to spread the awareness of this app and project. Next, our plan to our future project is in the first month. In second month, we are trying to polishing our primary feature, improving app reliability and performance, improving UI and UX together, fine-tune our model into more robust on the object type, and adding more tutorial to crafting table. In the second month, we also will start second feature for post crafting user art from track. So the user can post the art or the result from creativity into our application and get feedback like love and comment. In the third month, we are will discussing and speak to our nature chef organization on Indonesian and discussing the trash bank stakeholder for hearing about our third feature. We will also put outline from that discussion to our next third feature. And the fourth month, we will start to construct our third feature and creating the code to set the code that's needed for the third feature. In the machine learning team, we will try to shut the needed of AI part in the third feature. In the 5 months, we will policing application layer for the feature, policing cloud architecture, and implement our AI needs that already been discussing in the previous month. Next month, we will publish our app to the Play Store, and the budget will only go to maintenance infrastructure I needed for the app. It also go to the 6 month this maintenance infrastructure I needed for app. So that's all we will doing for our next month in our project. For our competitive application, there is e-recycle center. E-recycle is program that already established since 2020. They are already creating progress that gathering community together and doing collaboration with Garnier, some beauty product brand, and they are creating clean the environment together. So that's from our competitive application.